To cancel a direct debit using the NatWest app, follow these simple steps. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Go to the Account section. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen to view your account details. Select your account. Choose the account from which the direct deposit is set up. Access direct debits. Scroll down and find the direct debit section. Tap on it to see a list of all your active direct debits linked to that account. Select the direct debit to cancel. Find the specific direct debit you want to cancel and tap on it for more details. Cancel the direct debit. On the direct debit details screen, you should see the option to cancel direct debit. Tap this option. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the direct debit. You may be asked to verify your identity with security details, such as your PIN or biometric authentication. Confirmation. Once the cancellation is complete, you will receive confirmation in the app that the direct debit has been successfully cancelled.